Hello, welcome. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about writing a basic Java program in IDE. Now let us understand the meaning of public static void main. It is an important part of any Java program, right? Let us understand what is the meaning of each of these words one by one. Let me open the IntelliJ IDE first. So this is the core Java is a project that we have created earlier. Let me open that. This is the program that we have created earlier, hello world.java. Here, each of these word public static void main has its own meaning and it has purpose. Let us understand what does it mean. Public means it is open to everyone. You can think of it like a public parking area where everyone can enter. It means this method can be called by anyone, including Java runtime. And here, static means ready to use without creating an object. We will understand about how to create a Java object later. The meaning of static here means you do not need to create a Java object to call this method. You can use it without creating an object. That is the meaning of static. You can think of it like it is like a shared phone in a company where you do not need to buy your own phone. Everyone can use the same phone. Here static means this method belongs to class itself, not to a particular instance or an object. Here void means nothing. It means the method does not return any value. Here main means method name. Java looks for this exact name to start the program. Like in a computer you look for start menu to start something, right? Similarly, the method name should be a main here. In Java, the method name main is special and mandatory for the program to start running. If you rename it to something else like start, run or anything else, Java won't recognize this as it is an entry point. If you provide some other name to this method, Java will not recognize this and it will throw an error like main method missing or main method not found in a class. You can create other methods with some other name, but main method name should be main like this. If someone asks you whether name of the main method can be different or not, then you should say no, it should be main, main in small case. Here string args, a list of text. Args stands for argument and this argument is a string type, a list of string or array of string. So this is one of the important concept. Whenever you are attending an interview or something, they might ask a question on this, right? What is the meaning? And also whether main method can have a different name. No, it cannot have a different name. Java will start execution from this particular point. Java will start execution from the main. It looks for the name main and then it will start the execution from this point, right? So this is about public static void main. Thank you for watching.